Alright guys, so I've actually got a very special one for you here. So what we're going to be doing is using RPGs and pistols only, and getting a bunch of kills really. And you know, you're going to have to stick around to the end if we win or not. So yeah, stay tuned. Right, okay, if this guy uses other guns, that's not our problem.
Which guy? Oh yeah, Brock.
Oh, that guy's got a triple. Let's go, champ.
Yeah, there could be no one there again and still
Ben, quick.
Yeah, let's go, champ. Where?
Right here! Oh my god, I swear to God,
I killed three of them.
Oh my god, look at your money, look at your money.
Oh yeah, I just killed 3 people, Lucas.
Let's go, Phillips, man. Oh, I'm trying to fish your move in Gulag. look at chat.
That is dirty. That is fucking dirty. Come in, Fears.
I'm gonna die. Oh my god, I'm so sick. Some right here, Ben. Go on, Ben. Go on. I've done another finishing move.
Nice.
I've just done a
Don't
finishing
know
move.
how else to do this.
Oh my god.
Okay, I don't know what else. Oh my god.
I'm dead. Please don't let me die, Ben. Please don't let me die. I'm gonna die. I love you, Builder. I love this team. Let's go. Oh, it's expired. It don't matter. It's okay.
We'll kill anyone who
Right
comes
here.
at us.
Did you get him?
Nah, I hit mark him. Didn't even break his arm.
Going
I
back
only
round
just
2.
clipped him.
Oh shit. Round 2 maybe on standby.
Damn it! I killed one.
Oh, teammate, please do something.
Oh my god.
It's okay, Ben.
I'm in Gulag.
Gulag time. Remember?
Oh my god, I nearly bought armor plates then.
That wouldn't have been very good.
Oh my god! Do something, you fucking. Hey!
That's what I do, Ben. I'll take lives and take names. Where's the next
I
one?
don't think there is anymore.
There is on the other side, and I'm gonna get it.
Yeah,
Oh
you
my
will.
God,
It might have to go see
Oh my
Swan.
god. Please tell me sorry, not roof. Now we're about to steal his
Saw
quad.
someone downstairs.
Wait, what?
Saw
Right,
someone
label
downstairs in that
thing.
building.
Label the thing. Ow, fuck. I've literally full on robbed the quad.
There. I need that your RPG because I know you're no use with it.
Yeah, I found that. I'm gonna die. I downed one.
Oh my god, that's
Just
okay.
clutch it
I'm
first.
still alive.
I know, just clutch it. You gotta get me. Don't shoot. Oh, Ben, up there on the hill. Right, yeah, there. Stay still. They're not gonna see you. Right, them 2 teams are gonna fight out. Go towards the wall a bit more. What the fuck are you doing?
Shh. Have faith.
Alright guys, if you want to see the rest of this video, give it a like, and yeah, I say what, if we get 2.5 million likes, I'll show the rest of the video where we get the win. Alright, so yeah, how money, peace out.
Subscribe for what, eh? For Pringles.